A judge will now decide whether 3 officers in Delaware County acted so recklessly that they should be held criminally responsible for the death of an 8-year-old girl last year. NBC 10's Claudia Vargas was in court today as the officers' lawyers argued for manslaughter charges to be dismissed.
Family and supporters of 8-year-old Fanta Ability were in court today hoping to see justice play out.
Our family is deeply troubled by the attorney's motion to dismiss 2 charges against the former Sharon Hill police officers.
Fanta Ability was shot and killed as she was exiting a high school football game last year with her mother. Investigators determined that the bullet that killed her came from one of 3 Sharon Hill police officers who were there that night. The officers, Devin Smith, Patrick Dolan, and Brian Devaney, were charged with voluntary and involuntary manslaughter, as well as recklessly endangering a person. Lawyers for the officers were in court today asking for the manslaughter charges to be dismissed. They declined to comment on the way out.
Everything we had to say, we said on the record in the courtroom.
In court, they argued in part that without identifying which of the 3 officers actually shot the bullet that struck and killed Fanta, the prosecution has no case for manslaughter. Delaware County District Attorney Jack Stolzheimer says that the bullet that took Fanta's life was a fragment.
It was one of those 3 guns that killed her, but we can't identify which of the 3.
But the DA believes that they still have a strong enough case to move forward.
This is just an absolute tragedy. The officers shot at the wrong target, and they shot into a crowd of people, and we brought charges.
Even Bruce Castor, the lawyer for the Ability family, believes it will be a tough case to prove.
On the issue of whether there was intentional criminal conduct, it is a difficult technical matter.
And the judge said so in court today, that the case is technical with the interpretation of the law. She asked both sides to file written briefs on their arguments before deciding whether to toss the case or uphold it for trial. In media, Claudia Vargas, NBC 10 News.